You were born a creator, a dreamer. But somewhere along the way, life got busy and your creative spark may have faded. I've been there. I once believed that my voice didn't matter and that I didn't have anything unique to say. But I discovered that my magic wasn't gone. It was just waiting for me to trust it. If this resonates with you, let my book, The Kingdom of Magic and Mystery, be your guide. It's filled with wisdom and practices to help you reconnect to your creative magic and let your dreams flow freely again. Plus, I've included exclusive gifts, recorded meditations, accessible from the pages deep within the journey of the magic and the mystery once you purchase the book. Because the world needs your light, your art, your voice. Let's awaken the magic inside you. I'm excited.